Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some cheesy baked mac and cheese pie in my kitchen. So if you want to learn this flavorful, mouth-watering and delicious recipe, please do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button, guys, for more cooking videos. Let's get this recipe started. These are all the ingredients that I'll be using to make my creamy baked mac and cheese. Over here, I've got me some salt. I've got my whole milk, my large elbow macaroni. I've got my mozzarella natural cheese, shredded cheese, and I have me like 2 packs of each. I've got my sharp cheddar cheese. I want it to be extra creamy, guys, so I'm going to use enough cheese. Over here, I've got me some unsalted butter. I've got me a little flour, some black pepper to give it a little flavor. I like my food flavorful. Some Old Bay seasoning. I've got my cooking spray just to spray my casserole dish. And I've got me some garlic powder. So guys, if you want to learn this quick, simple and delicious, flavorful, creamy baked mac and cheese recipe, please do not forget to hit that like button. And don't forget, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get this process started. So on the stove here, I've got me some water already boiling. So I'm going in with my large elbow pasta. Going in with some salt. Just a little shake of salt to give it flavor and taste. Now I'm adding me some oil. That's good, so it won't stick to the pot. And then I'm gonna give it that stir. You wanna make sure you add water so it covers your pasta. Alrighty, guys? Okay. And then we could give it that taste test. And it's perfectly fine. So we're gonna leave this for like around 15 to 20 minutes until the pasta is cooked. So guys, as you could see, my macaroni is all cooked. Look at it. Look at it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drain off the excess water. Now guys, I'm gonna set this aside and then I'm gonna move on to the other process. So to my saucepan, I'm going in with a piece of butter. Just gonna melt the butter into my saucepan. To that, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of flour. Meanwhile, I'm adding the flour, I'm just going to mix it around. And I'm using all-purpose flour. Alright, just gradually mix it in. Alright. At this point, I'm going in with my whole milk, and I'm gonna gradually add my milk to my flour and my butter until everything has a smooth paste. You want to make sure, guys, all that lump that is in this sauce right here is all creamed out and looking refined and smooth. Alrighty, guys, so it's smooth and looking really nice. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going in with a little shake of my Old Bay seasoning just to give it that little flavor. I like my food flavorful, guys. Garlic powder, just a little. All right, black pepper, Just a little shake. And I'm gonna mix it around. Now we're going in a little salt. That's fine, just to give it a taste. Look at this, guys. And my cheese hasn't gone in as yet. Look at this. Look at that. That's how you want it to look. I'm gonna stir in my sharp cheese.
This sauce right here, guys, is a thickening agent. We want to make sure when we add our cheese, we whisk constantly because this sauce gets thickened easily. We don't want that. So we're going to go back in with some more milk and then we're going to whisk constantly. Whisking plays a vital role making this sauce. We want to get it smooth and nice. Now, I'm going in back with some of my mozzarella cheese. See, guys, it's getting thickened. We don't want that. So I'm just going to go back in with some of my milk to get it smooth and nice. Add your milk, guys, constantly and whisk. We're trying to get it smooth. Look, guys, it's working its way, becoming smooth and nice.
Look how cheesy my cheese sauce is, guys. Look at that. Now I'm gonna give it a taste test. Ooh, this is so good. It's perfectly fine. Doesn't need any more salt, doesn't need any more seasoning. It's perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna turn my stove off and then we're gonna move on to the other process. So to this container, I'm going in with my macaroni, going in with my cheesy sauce, just adding it all over like this, just a little for now. Then I'm just gonna mix it in. Ooh, look at that. Mix it in. Let me give this a taste test, guys. Perfectly nice. At this point, I am going to grease my casserole dish using my non-stick cooking spray. There it is, guys. There it is. And make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. To that, I'm going in with my creamy pasta. Look at that. This smells super good. I know this is gonna taste really nice when that little crunch from the oven gets on top of this. Ooh. So now I'm gonna level this off. Up next, I'm going in with some mozzarella cheese, just to sprinkle on top. Then my sharp cheese. Alrighty, guys, we are all finished and we are ready to put this baby inside of the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So guys, let's put this baby inside of the oven. But first, take a look. Look how cheesy and delicious this looks. Ooh, smell really good. Wow, can't get any better than this. I know you guys are gonna love this. Alrighty, let's go. Here goes my creamy baked mac and cheese, guys. There it is. Ooh la la. Cannot wait to dig in. Guys, a moment of silence before I cut it. And just take a look at that. Look at that baby right here. Just came out the oven. It's a little hot, but I just want to show you guys the entire finished product. Look at that. Can't get any better than this. I am hungry, so I need to put a piece on my plate. So I'm gonna go into this bad boy like this right here. Let's cut it from here. Ooh, I could tell this is delicious. All that cream. Ooh, look at that.
Look at all of this niceness right here, guys. Cannot get any better than this. If your mac and cheese doesn't look like this, guys, you're in big trouble. Look how cheesy and nice this looks. Ooh la la. And just look how it sits on my plate with that crunch on top and all that cheese and that beautiful look. Look at that, guys. You can have this for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, whatever you want. This is a must try recipe. I went in and now I'm gonna give this a taste test because your girl is hungry over here and drooling. Look at that. Look how cheesy this look. Ooh, let me give it a try. OMG. This tastes super good. Everything combined together. And that crunch on top, this gives me so much life. Ooh la la. So guys, I just want to say a huge thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please do not forget to like and turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. And also, guys, comment below in that comment section and tell me what you think about this creamy baked cheesy mac and cheese pie. Leave your comment, guys. I want to know how you like this recipe. I want to hear your feedback. And give it a try and comment and tell me how it turned out in your kitchen and how your family love it. And also how you love it too. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Your girl Jody is out and have a happy Thanksgiving. And Christmas is approaching. So Merry Christmas when it comes. Be safe out there. Drink your water and stay hydrated. DJ family, love you guys. Peace out. Bye, guys.